Basic English conversation for kids.
Hello, I'm your friend, Bobo. I'll help you practice English conversation. Please follow my directions. Thank you! What are these fruits? Words. After you listen to each word, say the word. Picture. Watermelon. Summer. Fruit. Conversation.
Look at this picture. What is this?
A watermelon.
When do you eat watermelon?
In summer.
What are these?
Strawberries.
What can we make with strawberries?
Jam, juice, and ice cream.
Practice. Listen to each sentence and repeat. Your conversation will get better.
Look at this picture. What is this?
A watermelon.
When do you eat watermelon?
In summer.
What are these?
Strawberries.
What can we make with strawberries?
Jam, juice, and ice cream.
Word quiz. Watermelon. Picture. Fruit. Summer. Conversation quiz. What did teacher say?
What is this? What are these?
A watermelon.
What did students say?
When do you eat watermelon?
In summer. Jam, juice, and ice cream.
What did teacher say?
What is this? What are these?
Strawberries.
You did it! You were superstar!
Yay!
Goodbye!
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us for more fun learning adventures. See you next time.